Today is Wednesday, August 26th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We're going to start to see some heat and humidity rebuilding for much of the Midwest, and even the threat for more showers and thunderstorms. We've got one front coming through this afternoon with a real brief line of showers and storms. That should push all the activity off to the east, and at least for now, it looks like the next couple of days will be treated to some pretty decent weather. So as that line is coming through, maybe a brief shower or thunderstorm Grand Rapids over to Detroit today. Temperatures generally in the low 80s. Same for you in Cleveland and Chicago. We've got low to mid 80s out here, Des Moines over to Minneapolis. As we travel down the Ohio River Valley, 82 today in Pittsburgh, 86 in Cincy, 89 in Louisville. Some showers and storms possible over there for St. Louis and Memphis, 95 today in Nashville. Looking at our temperature trend here, generally stay in the 80s through the end of the week through the weekend. There are some signs that another true taste of fall could be on the horizon here early next week. We'll see how that plays out in the coming days. But mostly 80s as well here for Chicago. And just beyond that 7-day, I wouldn't be surprised if there's some cooler weather coming our way. In the south, we do have some scattered showers and storms. Looks like there will be a pretty organized area of showers and storms coming in from Texas and the southern plains. That will arrive for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So although isolated in nature today, they'll be much more widespread tomorrow from Louisiana to Mississippi over to Alabama. 90 today in Washington, D.C. We got 86 today in Wilmington, 90 for both Charleston and Charlotte, 87 today in Savannah, 90 in Atlanta, Georgia for a high this afternoon. Temperatures generally going to be in the low 90s for much of the southeast, 93 in New Orleans, 104 in Dallas, And then we got an isolated shower thunderstorm possible down the Florida Peninsula. So after today, it looks like in Charlotte, our temperatures are generally going to stay in the low to mid 80s here through the weekend into early next week, maybe closer to 90 here by Monday, Tuesday. In Fort Lauderdale, it is once again another hot day. Wouldn't you know, 81 degrees, broken clouds this morning, broken clouds this afternoon, 90, and still some of those clouds as we head into the evening. Peaking at around 90, this has not changed. We love consistency, and that's always a high confidence forecast. Will remain up near 90, I think, through the upcoming weekend. Okay, folks, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. Remember that if you're enjoying these weather videos, you've made it to the end, and you want to give a little bonus, I certainly wouldn't mind it. It does take quite a bit to keep all of this going, and with all the difficulties out there trying to pay for everything, subscribers are down, you know, it does help. So if you want to buy me a coffee, buymeacoffee.com/Erick Adame. And you can find that link on my app as well. So have a great rest of the week. I'll see you guys all on Friday.